Welcome to the unboxing of our solar home light kit lighting solution designed for homes, shops, rural electrification, and backup lighting applications. Inside this package, you will find the solar home light kit along with LED bulbs or tube lights depending on the model selected. The solar panel is supplied separately for safe transportation and easy installation. Let's take a look at the front panel. It is the main power switch. Once the switch is turned on, the indication LED starts blinking, confirming that the system is ready for operation. Next, we have a USB charging port that allows you to charge USB-powered devices directly from the system. These output ports are for connecting bulbs or tube lights. Each light comes with a 5-meter cable and an individual on-off switch. Depending on the requirement, the kit can be supplied with either bulbs or tube lights with on-off switch. The solar panel is supplied with a 5-meter cable. Simply connect the light cable to the respective output port on the kit. Once connected, the light will start glowing instantly, providing bright and efficient illumination. The kit comes with an inbuilt rechargeable battery available in 11.1 volt or 12.8 volt configurations. The battery capacity is selected based on the connected load and the required backup duration, ensuring dependable performance whenever you need it. Now let's connect the solar panel. The solar panel is supplied with a 5-meter cable. Ensure that the solar panel receives adequate sunlight throughout the day and is free from any shading or obstructions. Insert the panel connector into the solar charging port provided on the kit. As soon as the solar panel is connected, the green LED starts blinking. This indicates that solar charging has begun and the battery is being charged using clean solar energy. Simple, efficient, and powered by the sun, that's the solar home light kit. Thank you for watching. For more information, contact Technosphere Engineering Private Limited